Morning everybody and welcome to today's assembly. It's with some regret that we can't all be in the building together due to the current situation, but obviously this is the next best thing, virtual assemblies. I've got to say I'm really pleased at all the reports I've been receiving of all the good work you've been doing in the community and the fact that you've been embracing all the school initiatives. This week we're trying to get Wright Robinson around the world, so I hope that you'll all be out, active, getting your steps in and adding to the mileage to get the school where it needs to get to on its travels. Without further ado, I'm going to hand over to the pastoral team and just to wish you all the best in the future and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Heaton here. I hope that you're all keeping very well and keeping yourself safe. I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about being positive, especially now that we're on week 13 I think it is of this lockdown, and how we can keep our minds, our bodies healthy during this time. I'm definitely a glass half full type of person, and I do try to see the positives in most people and most situations, and I've done exactly that during this lockdown. I try to make positive changes that I wouldn't normally make to both my mental health and to my physical health to help me get through these days, these weeks. Being positive isn't just about thinking about being positive. To make positive changes, you need to act on those thoughts. So the first thing, yes, don't get me wrong, thinking positive is a great start, but then you have to act on those and take action of those thoughts. And the third thing that you need to do is you need to stick with it. So by doing those three things, thinking positive, taking action, sticking with it, you'll get results. The things that we've been doing, or what I've been doing, is that I've been running every day. Mr. Hibbert has challenged me to run as many miles as we can during this lockdown, and we've been doing that. Bike rides with the family, I've been doing football, family walks, we've been doing family games, I've been doing the 50 pull-up challenge daily, I've been doing the 5-minute plank daily, and I've also learnt a new skill. Just before lockdown I bought myself a digital piano, and I thought, how hard can it be to play the piano? And it is pretty difficult, but I've started by thinking positive about it. I've taken action, I've been taking regular time out to practice it, and I've stuck with it, and now I am getting results. I have had my difficult days too. A close relative of mine has passed away and we couldn't attend the funeral, and that was difficult. And there's a lot of negativity in the media as well at the moment, which can invade your thoughts. So you have to remember that there are lots of good things happening in the local community and in this world that where people are doing amazing things. A good strategy that I use when faced with a big challenge and when doubts start entering your mind is to think about something that you remember that makes you feel good. Focus on your strengths, focus on the things that you are good at. This will add more weight to the things and balance out the negativity in your life. Surround yourself with the right kind of people that make you feel good, people that say nice things. Find out about people that you look up to, people that you like or admire. It could be famous people, successful people, historical people. Lastly, don't fall into the trap of thinking that we are born with the ability to be good at something or everything. We can all make progress and learn. Remember, Einstein wasn't born a mathematical genius. He learnt and applied himself to be the success that he was. I hope you enjoy the rest of this assembly video, and now over to Miss Smith.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. I hope you and your families are doing well. You're looking after one another and you're keeping yourself safe. It's been really strange being away for so long, and I do miss you. So some of the things that I've been doing during lockdown, probably the same as what everyone's been up to in the country really. I've been having my daily exercise, which is usually in the way of a walk on the park or going on a bike ride. So that's something that I wouldn't usually do. You know, I didn't own a bike before lockdown, but now I have one and I love it. And so that's like a bit of a positive that I've got from, you know, this time. I found a new hobby. I have started, well, I did start baking, but then I found that I wasn't very good at it, so I've given up on that, and I'll leave that to everyone else. I've been keeping in touch with my friends and family on video messaging, which is really nice. It's nice to stay in touch with my loved ones, you know, because there are days when I really do miss them, so it's nice to have that communication with them and just to find out how they're doing and making sure that they're safe. So I've been isolating with my boyfriend and my son, and at times it's been difficult, especially homeschooling. I find that quite difficult because my little boy, all he wants to do is be back at school with his friends, like I'm sure all you do too as well. So there are some, you know, anxious days when I feel a bit overwhelmed, and so I just make sure that I have 5 or 10 minutes out, so I go and do a bit of meditating or mindfulness, just to be aware of my thoughts and just make myself just feel a little bit calmer and ready for the next day. But I'm looking forward to us all being back together again, and I just want you to, you know, carry on doing what you need to do. Keep doing your workbooks at home. Stay in touch with your friends and family. Look after yourself. Look after your loved ones. And I cannot wait to see you all again. I really do. Alright, so for now, I will say goodbye.
Good morning, Year 8. It's Mr. Hibbert here. I hope you and all your family are doing well during these incredibly tough and challenging times. This is just a short video clip to explain to you what I've been doing during lockdown to keep my mind and my body active. And first of all, both me and Mr. Heaton set ourselves a challenge to see how far we could run during lockdown. Each morning I get up and I go for a run during my 1 hour's daily exercise. So far I've covered a distance of 170 miles. This is something I'm really proud of, and it is something that I feel has given me a focus during lockdown and has helped me to keep a positive mindset. Secondly, I've decided to start reading some sporting autobiographies once again. This has helped me to keep my mind active and keep me busy throughout lockdown. Finally, I'd just like to say, me and the year team are really missing you guys. We can't wait to see you, so stay safe and we will see you soon.
Number 3.